This is my kitty Alex. I'm going to try and pull one of the headlights out of the Corvette to see if I can fix it. I got the headlight out. Got the headlight repair kit. And I have 3 of the nuts. I dropped one. I didn't think it was loose already. Looks like we're missing a screw for the headlight too. 2 screws actually. Well, I figured it out. I mean, I didn't figure it out. I watched a video and it said do this, do this, do this, and I did that, and it didn't come apart. So I just pried this back a little bit so I could get in here. Alright, I got it all taken apart, got it cleaned. Looking real nice. Now I'm going to add some grease in here, put it all back together. I only bought 1 repair kit, so I can only fix 1 headlight right now. I can at least fix 1 headlight right now. Some of the screws that I didn't use last night in that project, I'm actually using on this. They fit perfectly, so why not use them? It's snowing extra hard now, so I'm not going to go reinstall this right now, but at least I know it's done. Here's a segment I like to call Weird Things in My Shed. So this right here is a general LED light bulb. This attached to it is a plug with a socket on it. Now, you might be asking, why do you have something like that? Well, I use it if I need to see. I can just plug it in, just like that. And if I need more light right here, I've got it. It also helps if you need to test a bunch of bulbs. That way you're not going up into the socket, coming down, going up into the socket, coming down. So you can just test your light bulbs like that. It was only 50 cents. Well, I was just about to make this clip of me signing off for the day, and the power went out. So thank you guys for watching. Thanks for liking the videos. Thanks for subscribing, and I'll see you tomorrow.